Hi, I'm Neha Shah from Finbar Sales, and welcome to Civic Heart, Finbar's newest landmark apartment development here in South Perth. Surrounded by the stunning Swan River, come and discover a range of exquisite apartments in Perth's tallest residential tower, designed to suit your every need. Civic Heart features 308 apartments spread across two towers, the 20-storey Mends Street Tower and the 37-storey Mill Point Tower, connected by the amenities deck. The mix of 1, 2 and 3 bedroom options, the Platinum Apartments offer a blend of elegance and functionality. Enjoy the stylish timber flooring and the convenience of keyless entry and video intercom, featuring stone splashbacks and bench tops, semi-integrated dishwashers, Siemens appliances and 2.7 metre high ceilings. These apartments are crafted for comfort. The apartment also features double glazed windows which provide insulation, reduce noise pollution and keep the temperature comfortable all year round. Selected apartments will also feature a dedicated drying court. Each detail from the stone finishes to the modern appliances have been thoughtfully selected to enhance your living experience. Step into the luxurious sky homes on level 30 and above, where sophistication reaches new height. These residences, with up to 198 square metres of internal space, come with integrated fridge freezer, Gaggenau appliances, and Bosch washer and dryer, ensuring every convenience is at your fingertips. Experience the pinnacle of luxury in our sky homes, where top-tier appliances and finishes elevate your everyday life. Our state-of-the-art amenities spread across 3 floors are designed to elevate your living experience. The 3rd floor amenities include a grilling station, a dog play area, outdoor games area, and a fire pit. The 4th floor offers a 25-metre heated swimming pool, putting green, library, lounge and games room, 2 private theatres, private dining room, kids play area, business centre, 2 fully equipped gyms, steam room, sauna, 2 massage rooms, a private consultation room, and an exclusive female-only sauna. Ascend to the 37th floor of the Mill Point Tower and heighten your senses upon Civic Heart's crowning masterpiece, the South Perth Sky Deck, inviting yourself and guests to mesmerising views across the shimmering river and skyline. This tastefully curated collection of dining rooms and sky decks are exclusive to all residents and available to be booked day and night. The dining room features a 12-seat dining table, adjoining fully equipped kitchens, and a private bar, perfect for hosting memorable gatherings. The roof terraces offer an unparalleled experience for the Perth skyline. These expansive spaces are thoughtfully designed for relaxation and entertainment. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or enjoying the sunset with a glass of wine, the roof terrace provides a stunning backdrop for every occasion. Stroll through the vibrant Mends Street Arcade and surrounds, where you'll find an array of cafes, restaurants, fashion boutiques and bakeries, as well as a 24-hour grocer. The transformed foreshore shines with enhanced facilities, and the Perth City is just a ferry ride away. Convenience is at your doorstep. The ground floor boasts 25 commercial tenancies, including the station and Ludo in the historic old police station. The rejuvenated pedestrian-focused Mends Street features public art installation, enhancing the community atmosphere. At Civic Heart, you're not just investing in a home, but embracing a lifestyle. Discover the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and lifestyle at Civic Heart. Head to our website to discover more at civicheart.com.au.